He's right there in my video. Hi, I'm Rosa. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm doing week 2 of May's meal plans, dinners, and groceries. So come along with me and I'll show you our meals as best as I recorded them, what I had planned to eat, what we actually ate, and what it cost. Our menu plan for the week is a bit off. I wrote it beforehand, but it's been a trying few weeks. A lot's been going on, especially been busy with work, and I apologize for the shadows. Sunday, barbecue. Monday, I figured we could make something out of the pantry. Tuesday, leftovers. I need to make a soup, so Wednesday, Thursday, out. I can make some steaks because I have them in the freezer, and Saturday out. I just threw stuff on there because I'm at a loss for what to make. So buying, I don't know, and I need to make a soup. Went to the farmer's market and bought a couple peppers, tomato, lemon, sprouts, a zucchini, and some hummus, and spent $21. I went to Publix and picked up pastelitos, corn chips, provolone cheese, chili garlic sauce, toasted sesame oil, rice vinegar, and an avocado. And my total spent was $38.20. I had a grocery haul that I didn't get on camera. It was for Costco for carrots and ginger and apples, and it came to $45.08. So Costco, $45.08. Also, in a previous video, I showed you my countertop composting bucket that I bought, and I said that I would show you the composter outside, and I completely forgot to show you the composter outside in that video. So I'm going to reinsert the composter clip so you can see what it looks like, and then show you what it looks like outside, the barrel rolling thing that's supposed to compost our vegetables, scraps. And in other kitchen news, I've decided to start composting. So I picked up this container of Amazon, has a filter, and I just put a grocery produce bag in there. And I have these strawberries that have gone bad, shame on me. I'm going to throw them in here. Don't worry, they're not gonna stay in my kitchen long. I purchased a barrel type composter for the yard, and after dinner tonight, after I'm done making dinner tonight, I will show you my composter, as well as we will drop this in there. And we have so much vegetable scraps that I thought it'd be great to do something with them, and I don't have chickens, so composting was my next thought. 2 days worth of vegetable trimming smell, and I've dropped some stuff. So let me show you my composter and how it works. This is it. I have it out here in the yard, and it has those orange covers where you dump the stuff into. And I am going to show you. As soon as I open this, flies will come out. Now, this side's full, or full enough for me, and oh, not too bad. I'm getting buzzed by something. Let me open the other side so I can show. Oh, that was not good. And I had to step away because there was a bee buzzing me. He obviously didn't want me there. So let me pick up my carrot or my onion pieces I dropped and try to go back over there. You can see where I have it in the yard. I've opened the one side. I'll open the other one so you can see the bugs that come out of here. But I have some scraps from the kitchen, and I'm just adding them in there. I made a mess getting my scraps in there. Let's see, this is the one that's been sitting the longest. You can kind of see some of the bugs, not sure. And that's what it looks like in there. It smells gross. And then I feel like I'm playing a game on The Price is Right. It's trying to spin something. It's heavier now, so it doesn't spin as well. All right, I'll leave it there for now. And that's it. I'm just going to keep filling it, see if it works out. It's going to sit here for a while, and it says it takes 5 to 6 weeks to turn into something, so we will find out. For dinner tonight, we're having vegetable soup. Dinner tonight is Beijing beef over rice. Tonight's dinner is a salad, leftover beans and escarole. I need to eat that pair. We have rice and leftover Beijing beef, and also some soup over here. That all this put together will make dinner for the different people in my house. And I'm sorry for the background noise. My husband is mowing outside. This week we did do barbecue. I did leftovers of the farro bowls that I made last week, which were really, really good. I saw a video on how to make Beijing beef, and I made that. That's also posted as a previous video on my channel. And I made soup. We ate out. I didn't follow the menu plan as closely. I've had a lot going on, and but with all that, we still didn't do too bad on groceries or eating out, and I will show you. On groceries, we spent for the second week of May $104.28. And for eating out, we spent $241. Need a new pen. We spent $241.90 for a grand total of $346.18. Not too bad for us for the second week of May. When we total May up, the week 1 and 2 in groceries, we spent $209.78 for the month. Eating out 1 and 2, we spent $442.79 for the month, for a total of $652.50. Oh no, yep. Oh, excuse me. $652.57 total spent on groceries and eating out thus far for May 2025. That's our second week of May. I am going to do the menu plan for the third week of May right now, and the third week of May will be a little bit more exciting. You'll see why next week. So thank you for coming along and watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.